buying a car.
Hello and welcome back to the Sentimental Car Club, where today we're having a day out.
We're popping out to a car show in Rochford. It's the classic and retro car show. So we're going to see what's there.
Do we think this Escort is going to the retro show? Maybe.
Do we know what we're dealing with here? Is he an RS Turbo or an XR3? Or...
I don't even know what we're dealing with in our own barn, so I couldn't tell you what anyone else's Escort is. What was it?
He's got the twin spot headlight conversion as well.
But what type of car was it? What type of Escort was it? Turbo?
It looked like an RS Turbo to me. It's got the bonnet vents and everything. DVD van just blocked my view of it now, so I can't tell. I'm guessing this is normal for like a classic car show. You get close, you queue. We've seen one car broken down in the car park already, so he's not going to make it to the show.
One day we'll be exhibiting. I think that's a few years off though. We've made it in. Now, well, we made it into the car. We made it into the car park. Now we're doing a long walk for the car park. We've seen a couple of broken down old cars already, but it's all good. What did you just say?
I think I'm going to end up buying a car. I've got one I can't finish. I want to buy another one.
What is it?
Oh yeah, there we go. Now you're talking about
When I was a kid, this was the car to have. Everyone wanted one of each. Our Firebird emblem. Superb. Like an old one.
George has found the car he wants.
I've always wanted a Mercedes SL. I take a lot of my inspiration from films, and there was one of these in Beverly Hills Cop. I don't know if anyone remembers that. I absolutely loved it, and I've always wanted one. Just don't have this kind of money, nor do I have the time, but this is a really nice example.
Bench seats. I think I can suit this. I think I can pull this off. I don't think it would fit in the barn though. I think it would be sticking out by about half a mile. But also, on the other side over here, Puma. I always wanted the Puma when I was younger, but they stopped making them a couple of years before I started driving, so they were a bit too old, so I just got a Fiesta. But now, I think they're reaching that classic stage, so maybe I'll get one.
That'd probably fit in the barn.
That would definitely fit in the barn.
Right, so I've noticed this car. I had a chat to the owner earlier on. He's happy for us to film. This is the tennis edition. So similar to ours, but not the same, because it's in really good condition. So we have a look. So first of all, you've got the two spots are on, which is great. What distinguishes this car? You've got this Greek stripe down the side that denotes it's the tennis edition. It's got the white roof, it's got the white tonneau, and it's even in there, it's got the folder to say it's a tennis, which is brilliant. Round the back, you'll notice his Escort decal is also in green, which denotes the tennis edition. It doesn't have a spoiler, so anyone who's told us we've got a tennis, we absolutely don't. This is different. If you've noticed the interior, it's not white. So there you go. So we're all finished at the car show now. Seen a lot of decent cars actually. I've had a good day.
And we managed not to buy anything, which is quite an achievement.
Yeah, managed to not spend too much money, so we're winning.
But got some ideas.